Hi everyone, today we're going to walk through some note correction styling options available to you in VetRec. We'll cover how to use find and replace, how to set up custom vocabulary corrections, and how to build your custom vocabulary glossary. Let's dive in. If you'd like to adjust a word or phrase in your note, you can simply use find and replace. Highlight the text you'd like to change, then click the arrow key icon. A pop-up will open that will allow you to find all the occurrences of the text, enter the replacement word or phrase you'd like to use, and then click Replace and Save. And that's it! Your notes are automatically updated. Next, let's take a look at vocabulary corrections. These work like a permanent find and replace, which are great for fixing common misspellings. There are two ways to set them up. The first option is to do it directly in the note. Highlight the text in your note, then select the Open Book icon. Here, enter the incorrect spelling or phrase, and then the correct version you'd like VetRec to use. You can also make it case sensitive for exact matches as well. When you're ready, click Custom Vocabulary and apply. The second option is to go to your settings page. Go to the settings on the left-hand side, click My Settings at the top, and then click on the vocabulary in the left column. This takes you to the custom vocabulary page where you can add or remove vocabulary corrections at any time. Simply add the correction, and do the same thing. Now, what if you notice that certain words like medication names aren't being recognized correctly? That's where the glossary comes in. The glossary acts more like a dictionary. It teaches the software to recognize tricky terms like Zenrelia or Cytopoint and use them correctly in your notes. That way your recordings always captures the exact terms you need and generates them correctly in your notes. To add a term, just go to the glossary tab at the top, click Add Term, and then click Add and Save Now. And that's it! You now know how to use find and replace, custom vocabulary corrections, and a glossary to make sure your notes always say exactly what you need. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking!